Welcome back, guys, to another video. In this video, I'm going to teach you or just show you how to install sequential turn signals on your Lexus IS. Whether it's a 250, 350, 300, it's for the 3IS platform. So without further ado, here we go. A couple things you'll need, obviously: sequential lights, wire cutter or strips the wiring, screwdriver, Phillips, because there will be, I believe there's 5 screws. I have a video of how to take the mirror off your side mirrors on your car, which I'll link up there. Flathead just to help you if you need it, and then some electrical tape. As far as what comes with the lights, you'll get a couple of these different dongles that attach. One end will attach into the light, and then the other one will attach into the dongle or the attachment in the mirror. It'll line up how it's supposed to line up. I believe on 2015s and up, it is red goes with orange and black with black, or black with white. We'll take a look at that. I believe this wire here, the blue wire, is for if you want your lights to stay white when your headlights are on. If you don't do this, they'll go amber. I won't be doing this because you have to attach it into a switch, whether it's in the door or run it through the door into your actual panel. So I probably won't be doing that. These, I want to say, these are for your sequential lights, but so this is your puddle lighting connector or wiring. It's the white on black, so it'll be this that will line up with the puddle light that's already on your car. The green and black is actually what gives you the ability for sequential lighting. If you leave them apart, if you split them apart like this, which is what I'm going to do, and then just tape up the ends, you will get a sequential effect on the light. If you put them together, then it'll be static. It'll just blink when you make your turn signal. The black and red wiring actually connects into this here. So that's pretty much it. I'll show you a time lapse of all this so that you don't get bored. So I'm gonna show you guys. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 screws there. You're gonna have to use some force to pull this off. I had to. There's clips here that you will force it to come off. Don't be afraid. If you pull evenly, the mirror should be fine. Again, I'll link the video where I show you how to do all this. We've taken it all apart, but I wanted to show you guys this. So this wire, which you'll connect your dongle to, this is black and red, and on here it's orange and pink. So the red will go with the orange and the black will go with the pink. And you can always test it by just connecting it. Now that it's connected, got my keys here. And as you can see, it's not working right now. So I gotta switch it. For some reason, I had to cross the black and the red. So the red goes on pink and the black goes on orange. But I ended up doing it here at this end. So just so you guys know, but this is what it looks like. Man, that's tough. Look at that. It's later in the afternoon now, in the evening, and as you can tell, the puddle lights are lined up and working. They're lit up. And so they're wired here into the yellow wires, the white into the solid yellow, the black into the yellow with black. Next thing I'll show you is it all put together and during the night, so you can see it in its full effect. So just wanted to show you guys this at night. So walking up to the car, as you can see, the puddle light illuminates, and the one that comes OEM. Both sides. Now the sequential. That's unlock. That's lock. Lock again. Unlock. Lock.